Guys, look at this waterfall. I mean, wow. 25 waterfalls, one location, tree ferns, tropical plants, subtropical plants, koi fish. I don't know what else is going on, but it is stinking amazing. Hey crew, John G, Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds custom ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood. My goal, sit right here with Aaron Chico, educate, and today is all about inspire the world about ponds and water features. We've been super blessed with the opportunity to come back to California and do another project this year. And on our day off, we got to hook up with the homeowners from last year's project from the video with 25 waterfalls we'll link to up there. And we just want to share the after footage with you guys, show you what has happened in literally one short year. And Aaron and I to talk about everything that happened and what we love the most about it. Before I get yakking and he gets yakking, I want to do a special shout out to Sean, April, and Darren. I hope you guys catch up with this video because man, if you were sitting here right now, your mind would be blown. Anyways, that's all I got. Squirrel! Aaron, coming back here a year later, what are your favorite things? What are the things you notice? Successes, failures? Tell the crowd what you're feeling right now.
Well, the plantings, the way that we planted it, kind of the aquatics, it came out really nice. Like everything's creeping and covering, and Paul, the homeowner, he even added a lot of extra stuff, and that it's just so natural looking. There's a really nice flow to the whole project. Water everywhere, and it's very well balanced. I would say it's one of the most well balanced water features that we've done. Everything, there's no ugly area, if we can say that.
Right?
You know, like,
to me, it's like the Columbia project that I worked on. Literally 1 year later, it's like inconceivable that this happened in 1 year, that it grew in this much. And there's so many colors and textures, and you know, for people who are thinking about a water feature, and he put in some big specimens in here, and we dug some stuff up and moved it around, and it lends so much maturity to the feature to have those few big elements plunked in through here. The artistic styles of everybody, just like, we so meshed in here, man. Everybody just did their thing. We were all, you can't tell where one person ended and the next person began. Right. It literally just, it just flows from one end to the other. No pun intended, but seriously, it's amazing. The colors, the textures, and to be able to come in here, talking to him when we came in, and him explaining how he has one pump that runs the biological filter that's on all the time, and then he's got other pumps dialed in and adjustable so that when he wants just a little sound, he's got just a little sound, and when he wants it really roaring out here, he can just dial the thing up. He's got it set up as efficiently as possible, and man, this is definitely one of my favorite projects I've ever been a part of. It's nowhere near the biggest by any means, but it is definitely high level of detail, fantastic out here.
Yeah, huge detail everywhere. Just and one thing that I did notice was every waterfall is flowing the way that we had wanted it to flow.
I know, right?
We didn't get to see the project finished because we had to leave at 9 o'clock at night, the night that it was finished. So this is our first time actually enjoying it like in the daylight. So it's really awesome.
The deadline. We've only seen footage of you know, from what the videographer took, and when Dave came out here. I guess I should give a shout out to Dave Misterly and Aqualife Pond, since it's his project that we came out and did with him. And he was kind enough to bring us in and let us be a part of such a magical space. But just coming back and seeing it again, it just warms my heart, man. It's
Yeah.
like this is what it's all about for me, is coming out and bringing these little pieces of magic and dropping them off in people's lives, and standing in their kitchen looking out the window today. And I remember taking the shot a year ago when it was just a big dirt bank out here, man. And I was like, wow, 1 year. What can be done in one single year? Guys, what I really want to say is, do the deed. Like, comment, subscribe, share your feelings about this. We're going to share a ton of after footage for the rest of this video of all the beautiful shots that we took today. And I want you guys, tell us what your favorite things are about this. What do you like about it? What do you hate about it? What are your questions? What do you want to know? Oh, the intake bay down there. That's one thing that I walked right up and really appreciated how well that thing's working. You guys got any questions about intake bays or any other technical aspects of the feature? Shoot them down there in the comment section. I love to interact with you. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. Enjoy the rest of the show. I'm going to go down here and eat brownies and drink beer, allegedly. I'm out.
Unlimited YouTube.